In Spain, the Seventh-day Adventist Church is offering music therapy workshops for the elderly to help improve their physical, emotional, and cognitive well-being. With the growing elderly population, especially among church members, these activities provide a unique opportunity for outreach and evangelism, bringing the community closer to the faith.
Here's a motivational message for Compassion Ministries from 60 Plus. The population pyramid in Spain is evolving, showing an increase in the average age and a growing proportion of elderly individuals. More than 20% of the population is over 65 years old, and in Adventist churches in Spain, this number is likely even higher. In fact, the percentage of people aged 80 and older in Spain is currently 6% of the total population, and in our churches, it could reach 10%. According to projections from the National Institute on Aging, by 2040, there could be over 14 million elderly individuals, making up nearly 30% of the population. Similarly, we can observe a clear trend of aging within our congregations in the Adventist churches of Spain. Starting in 2030, we can expect to see the largest increases as the significant groups born during the baby boom reach old age.
Working with older adults is a joy and a wonderful chance to share the grace and hope of the gospel in a relaxed and genuine manner. How can we do this? One way is by offering music workshops. Do you remember that song that brings you back to your younger days? Music has a unique ability to stir emotions and create lasting memories. The experience of music in old age goes beyond just listening. It connects both body and mind. We refer to this as music therapy because it can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, ultimately enhancing our quality of life.
We have various ways to connect with this population in our communities. The presence of many elderly individuals in our congregations today doesn't diminish our opportunity to reach even more people.
Music is a universal language that brings us all together. Music keeps us feeling young at heart. In music therapy, it enhances our motor and cognitive skills, helping us stay active and healthy.
Current data in Spain shows that 1 in 10 people over 65 experiences depression, while 20% struggle with chronic anxiety. By the time they reach 80, more than 30% are diagnosed with Alzheimer's. It's important to note that social isolation is a significant factor affecting the mental health of older adults.
Music is one of the resources we can provide in our churches to support this group of people. Through these musical workshops, older adults can enjoy relaxed moments of connection and companionship. You don't need formal music training or a background in psychology, just a solid lesson plan and some engaging activities that we can provide from the music school at the Adventist campus of Sagunto.
Anyone can coordinate a workshop like this, whether you're a young person, an adult, or even in your 80s. It doesn't matter if you're a pastor, a layperson, a leader, or a supporter. What truly matters is that we open our churches to provide workshops that support and uplift those in need.